Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we talked about, of course, is how Microsoft will change the way that the drivers and the hardware ID is used to make sure that, old drivers don't reinstall all the time. It happened to me and some machines. It happens to a lot of people. I even had comments of people saying there's some of the drivers that Windows insists on reinstalling an old driver to replace a newer one. And that is supposed to be fixed by early next year. And something else also has been implemented or is going to be implemented, and it's the Driver Quality Initiative. This is something that Microsoft and the hardware manufacturers will actually talk about and make sure that they have the highest driver quality possible. One of the most often crashes, the most immediate effect of a bad driver, of course, is your PC freezing, having blue screens, crashing, and all sorts. And this is a very common problem. Actually, a lot of problems of PCs are due to bad drivers that just behave badly in Windows. And so, of course, a lot of people will, go and say, well, it's Windows, and that's why it's crashing. Well, no, it's not. It shouldn't. And so, this new driver quality initiative will increase the importance of security, reliability of the drivers, with more tests being done, more information on the architecture and the design of hardware and how drivers should behave with that hardware. And there will be really a minimum amount of quality before Windows gives its certification for drivers to be installed on Windows. And this should, in theory, increase the reliability of all the system and every driver that there are on your computer. So this hopefully will also improve the stability of Windows due to manufacturers sometimes being a little lazy, or very often it's tests. They just haven't tested the driver properly on many configurations, and they end up sending out a driver that in certain circumstances it doesn't work well. So this should actually help fix that problem and improve the quality of the drivers we have in Windows in the near future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.